Hello CS50, this is Aaron and this is my 𝐾𝐚𝐽 project 2. Now let's continue at the models. We have user, auction listing, bid, and the comment. Initially, categories and the watch list were a model, but because of some reoccurring errors, they got removed. Now let's go to creating a list. To create a listing in our page, we first have to log in and give our credentials. After we do it, we can see a new link that popped out in our menu, and here we can create a listing. Firstly, we have to give it a title, let's say gaming chair, give a description, I already have it, and a price, a starting bid, a category, and an image URL. So the reason I have starting bid and price, we can see it in the active listings page. So as we can see, our new listing has been updated successfully and it is among other active listings. If a listing is sold out, it goes automatically in the inactive listings section. So the reason I said before there was a price and a starting bid, it is because the bid surpasses the price, it will display here the current bid instead of it. If we click in the listing, we can see that it has a description, a title, and 2 additional buttons. We can also notice that I cannot bid on my own listing and I can comment on it. This is the best chair. The comment was updated, and we can also edit the listing. We're gonna type the same thing here, and we can see that the listing was updated successfully. If we try to get back logged in as a regular user, for example John, and we go to the listing, now we can see that we have the bid option, but we should keep in mind that the bid must meet the price and the current bid. If we give it price of $40, a warning message will display that our value must be greater than or equal to 900. Now, if we give it a larger amount, a generous one in fact, than the current bid, log in back as Aaron, and we go to the listing I posted before, we have the option here to close the bid. And the bid goes to the sold listings. We clicked on the listing and it says that John has won the auction. We can put a listing into our watch list. We can see here when we click the heart, the number changes up in the menu. And if we go to the link, all the listings that we have selected are in here. Application has a page for categories. In here are listed all the current categories like books, chairs, iPhone, and so forth. And in the right side is the number of listings in them. Let's go, for example, at watches. The number 3 represents the items that are in it. But we also have the option to filter them out, like if we put here the books, we can see the listings in books. But if there is a wrong query, like a car, it says that no listings are found. Last but not least, we have the Django Admin. In here are listed the 4 models, and each one of them is changeable or resettable by their values. So thank you for watching. This has been my CS50 second project.